In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find WhatsApp backup data in Google Drive. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the Google account that you used for your WhatsApp backups. This matters a lot if you switch between multiple accounts, because the backups are tied to the exact account and phone number used in WhatsApp. Also note that WhatsApp backups in Google Drive are for Android devices. If you use an iPhone, your backups live in iCloud, not Google Drive. Let's begin by opening your web browser and going to Google's homepage. At the top right, you'll see the Google Apps icon, the small grid made up of 9 dots. Click that to open the app launcher. From the list of apps, select Drive to open Google Drive. If you don't see Drive right away, scroll within the launcher or click to view more apps. Once Drive opens, double-check the profile picture in the top right to confirm you're in the correct Google account. Inside Google Drive, look to the left sidebar and click Storage. This view shows how your storage is being used across files and services connected to your Google account. It's the best place to get a quick overview, especially if you're trying to track down backups or large files. Now in the Storage view, find and click Backups, typically located toward the top right of the page. This switches you to a dedicated area that lists device and app backups associated with your account. Here is where you'll find entries for your Android device backups, and if configured, your WhatsApp backup data. On the Backups page, look for a WhatsApp entry or a device backup that includes WhatsApp. You'll usually see details like the last backup date and the size. Keep in mind that you can't open or read the contents of a WhatsApp backup in Drive. It's end-to-end encrypted and designed to be restored only through the WhatsApp app using the same phone number and Google account. If you need to free up space, you can remove an old backup from this page, but do so carefully. Once deleted, it can't be restored from Drive. If you don't see a WhatsApp backup here, it could mean backups are turned off in WhatsApp, you're in the wrong Google account, or the backup hasn't completed yet. On your Android phone, make sure WhatsApp is set to backup to Google Drive, confirm you're using the same phone number, and give it some time to finish before checking Drive again. That's it. By navigating to Google Drive, opening Storage, and selecting Backups, you can quickly find whether your WhatsApp data is safely stored and when it was last saved.